What's up? It's KeAndre Lambert-Smith, #1 wide receiver for the Nittany Lions, and I'm here with
Hakeem Beamon, number 51, defensive tackle, Penn State.
what we cooking today.
Man, we cooking some buffalo chicken dip, man. That's all we doing.
All right, so how we get this started?
All right, so look, what we're gonna do is a couple of scoops of shredded chicken, brother.
Okay.
Now, I like the protein,
Yeah, that's a lot of chicken.
I can get mean. Yeah. Say about two big scoops, something like that. What's next, chef?
1 package of Wise quality cream cheese.
All right, got the cream cheese right here. Already melted. What's next, chef?
Then we got 1/2 cup of Wise quality hot sauce.
All right, bet. So we're gonna use hot sauce.
Hot sauce, not
Bet.
I think that's ranch.
Wise.
Yo, shout out King, best chef around. Even though I think it said 1/2 cup.
Like mine a little hot.
Okay.
All right, bet. What's next, chef?
We got 1 cup of Wise quality ranch dressing, so now you pick up the ranch.
There you go. Shapow. Now we're gonna use 1 cup of shredded cheese. There you go. We're gonna save some for the top. Man.
Okay, now we got the 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese.
Again, we're gonna save some
It's
for
gonna be a
the
real
top.
cheesy sauce.
Now, when you're mixing,
How you mix it?
you gotta really get in there.
You gotta put that elbow into it.
You gotta get around the corners. You gotta scrape. Scrape like you're trying to scrape the bottom. It should sound like this. If it's not sounding like this, if it ain't sounding like this, you're wrong. There it goes, just like that.
I ain't
Now-
know buffalo dip was this simple.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread it out all across the pan so everything cooked nice and evenly.
Evenly proportioned. I hear you, chef.
Now me, I like a little bit of extra cheese on top, so that's just what I'm gonna do.
Oh, I might not partake in that then.
Hey, it's all good,
That's a
brother.
lot of cheese.
Hey, it's all good. More from me, brother.
You might as well go add you some chicken or something, some more meat.
Nah, you know what I'm gonna do?
Some
More
hot
heat.
sauce. Yo.
And there it go. And last but not very least, some seasoning, onion powder.
Lastly, it's time to put the pan in the oven for about 20 minutes and until it's heated through. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. It's looking good. Now it's time for us to try it. Would you look at that?
Wise.
Get bread. That's all that cheese, I'm telling you.
Oh, hold on. Look at that pull. Just. Okay, I'm gonna get a big scoop right here.
Hold on, let me get this in. Hold on. Gotta make sure.
What you think, man?
Delicioso. Delicioso. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed it. And
Stay cheesy, my friend.
we out. Vaughn is over there laughing the whole time.
Wise.